Yes, I love making my own recipes. Here are 3 make-from-scratch blender salad dressings, each making about 1 cup of dressing, which is 8 servings. 1. Classic balsamic vinaigrette, using a blender. Flavor, tangy, slightly sweet, smooth, emulsified. Great on mixed greens, tomatoes, roasted vegetables. Ingredients, 3 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 small shallot, roughly chopped, 1 clove garlic, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt, half cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon water, optional for thinner texture. Blender steps. Add vinegar, mustard, honey, shallot, garlic, salt, and pepper to the blender. Blend 15 to 20 seconds until smooth. With the blender running on low, slowly drizzle in olive oil to emulsify. Add water if you want a lighter consistency. Blend briefly. Taste and adjust. More sweet, add honey. More tang, add vinegar. More body, add olive oil. 2. Creamy Caesar dressing using a blender. Flavor, rich, garlicky, classic Caesar. Great on romaine, croutons, grilled chicken. Ingredients: 1 large egg, room temp, 2 cloves garlic, 1½ tablespoons lemon juice, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/3 cup neutral oil, canola, avocado, or light olive oil, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons water, half teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, adds classic Caesar depth, half teaspoon Dijon mustard, emulsifier and flavor, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, salt to taste. Blender steps. Add egg, garlic, lemon juice, Parmesan, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, pepper. Blend until smooth, 20 to 30 seconds. With blender running, slowly pour in oils to emulsify. Add water 1 tablespoon at a time until creamy, pourable consistency. Safety note, use pasteurized egg if preferred. 3. Peanut ginger dressing using a blender. Flavor, savory, nutty, sweet, tangy Asian style. Great on cabbage slaw, noodle salads, grilled chicken. Ingredients: 1/4 cup peanut butter, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 to 2 teaspoons fresh ginger, grated, 1 clove garlic, 3 to 5 tablespoons warm water for thinning, 1 teaspoon lime juice, Brayton's flavor. Optional, pinch of red pepper flakes or chili paste. Blender steps. Add peanut butter, vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, ginger, garlic. Blend until smooth. Add warm water gradually while blending until silky and pourable. Finish with lime juice, blend briefly. Texture tip: peanut dressings thicken in the fridge. Add water and shake before use. Storage for all dressings: refrigerate in sealed jar 5 to 7 days. Shake or stir before serving. Caesar may thicken, so thin with water or lemon juice. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship. Thanks for watching.